Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel, and thank you for joining me for today's country music reaction. Now this one's very much requested. I've seen it a lot in the comments to a lot of different songs, and that's Whitley or Whitley. I'll let you guys decide which one it is, and please feel free to correct me. And we're going to be checking out I'm No Stranger to the Rain. I'm excited to see this. It's first time for me checking out Keith. So I've seen that it's copyrighted for 1988. So I'd have been 5 when this was released, and I'm looking forward to this because a lot of you have said that you really love your 80s country music. It seemed to have been, a lot of you consider it a high point for country music, so I'm really looking forward to this. So that means there's only one thing left to do. Let's go.
I'm no stranger to the rain. I'm a friend of thunder. Friend, is it any wonder lightning strikes me? I fought with the devil, got down on his level, but I never gave in, so he gave up on me. I'm no stranger to the rain. I can spot bad weather, and I'm good at finding shelter in a downpour. I've been sacrificed by brothers, crucified by lovers, but through it all I withstood the pain.
Yeah, when I hear music like this, I can understand why so many of you say that country music in and around the 80s was very, very good, because this guy has just got some very raw talent about him. It's got a lot of soul in his voice. Yeah, this feels like real country, and I absolutely love it. And one more point, his hair is glorious. That could give early Blake Shelton a run for his money. It really could. It is absolutely glorious. But let's get back to the music.
Sacrificed by brothers, crucified by lovers, but through it all I withstood the pain. I'm no stranger to the rain, but when I get that foggy feeling, what am I feeling now? If I don't keep my head, I may drown. But it's hard to keep believing I'll even come out even while the rain beats a hole in the ground. And tonight it's really coming down. I'm no stranger to the rain, but there'll always be tomorrow, and I'll beg, steal, or borrow a little sunshine. I'll put this cloud behind me. That's how the man designed me, to ride the wind and dance in the hurricane. I'm no stranger to the rain. Oh no, I'm no stranger to the rain. Is it any wonder like cloud behind me. That's how the man designed me. Ride the wind and dance in the hurricane. I'm no stranger to the rain. Oh, I'm no stranger to the rain.
Okay everybody, there it was. Keith Whitley with I'm No Stranger to the Rain, and yeah, that was just one of those great country music songs. He had a great voice. At times there was that wonderful country twang, that gravel to his voice on certain notes. Yeah, absolutely loved it. Only nearly 2.7 million views on this video, and that does not feel like enough. It really doesn't. This is a very good song, sung very well, performed very well. The music was great. There was some fantastic piano playing, a great guitar solo, a slide guitar in there as well. It was wonderful, truly wonderful. Absolutely loved it. Thank you all who put it in the comments to check this guy out. Really appreciate it. I have absolutely loved this one. I'm going to listen to it again straight after this video because I really enjoyed it. So yeah, thank you for that. That was real country right there. And like I said, so many of you have said the 80s around about that time were just the best for country music. So if you've got any more absolute classics from that time, get them in the comments. Let's check them out together. But that's it from me, guys. Until next time, take care and bye for now.